Did you know that pigeons are art critics? Did you know that pigeons can distinguish between paintings by different artists, such as Monet and Picasso? Yes, you read that right. Research has shown that these intelligent birds have incredible visual discrimination skills. In a fascinating study, pigeons were trained to recognize the distinct styles of Monet's Impressionism and Picasso's Cubism. Amazingly, they could even identify new paintings by these artists that they hadn't seen before. This discovery showcases just how smart pigeons are, breaking the stereotype of being just city birds. They might not create masterpieces, but they sure can appreciate them. What do you think about this surprising talent? Let us know in the comments below.